The mystery truck. That. The mystery truck. Oh. Hey guys, how's it going? How's it going? I was wondering, like, what's that? Oh. Right. You know what? You can go to the store. The mystery truck. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the store. I'll get a video of it. I don't know. Yeah, probably later when I have a little bit around. But it's kind of dark. I mean, because the phone doesn't do dark things. So apparently I found out who was this person in the mystery truck episode. The mystery truck episode. Turns out it was my uncle. Practically, I believe it to be some sort of stranger that I thought. So it looked suspicious. So I was like, who's doing that? So I saw I made a video, something like that. Yeah, whatever. My dog Lou and Gray right there. Gray's right there. There he goes. He's right there. He looks like a black dog, but in this world, he's actually a redhead dog. Brown. It goes. It's actually a brown redhead. All right. Yeah. Turns out I found look. Your new leader in world domination. Your new leader in world domination. I'm your future president. No, I'm just kidding. I'm the new American. Alright, yeah. All the stars. I'm gonna claim Texas. Those are all my all my trophies. And look. There's a spider or something going on. Alright. Well, that ends the episode, part 1 of the mystery truck. I'll probably be order more mystery trucks in the future, but so far it's my uncle. So, yeah. Alright. Later, YouTube. Bye.